Hello everyone. This is a cicada. Not the person talking. I'm Gio. This is a cicada. I think it hurt its wings. And they look really cool. I usually see them dead. But this is the first time I've seen one alive. Oh no. Ants. Boy, you gotta get out of here. You gotta learn to fly. Or can you? Are you not learning to fly? You just can't fly? Or did you just hack? Like, did you just molt? Your wings are fragile, so you can't fly? Those ants will eat you alive. You have to get out of here. Good. Walk slowly and don't be spotted. Ants have terrible eyesight, but they do have a good smell. My video might die. I'll make another video and hopefully you can survive. Come on, get out there. I'll cut to when you do. You can do it. Or see, I don't know. Go on, cicada. I don't even know if you're a cicada. Just keep going. Come on, you can do it. I believe you can fly. No. Don't die. No! I don't see them. Well, cicada died. Rest in peace, fellow.